unemployment. Now we have the highest records in years. If you are out of a job, which is the case, for example, if you graduated from university or from college in many countries in the world, particularly in the United States, or if you recently lost your job, chances are now is the best time to get an education because your opportunity cost is zero. And the market will recover in a little bit. It will get better in 1 or 2 years. Then you will have companies going to your school trying to recruit. The other reason is that there are many things which we have never done before. You're able to take classes online. You will have the option, if you want to take some sessions in person, so you'll be able to meet with other students and your professors. And something that I'm glad that the University of Salamanca was willing to do is to extend the deadline. If you graduated in June, you didn't apply for a master's program because the world last year and up to March of this year was very different. So now you want to apply and you can't, you have to wait a year. But not in their case. They're willing to take students all the way through August 25th. And that's why I'm happy that the director has joined us and he'll tell us more about it.